A very warm welcome to TechShorts, and these are the Python data type headlines. Type method is very useful to know because it helps you to know the type of any variable. There are different numeric data type in Python such as int, float, complex. Int is used to represent integer values, positive or negative. Float is used to represent decimal or floating point values. Complex is used to represent complex numbers in the form of a plus bj, whereas a and b are floating point numbers. Another data type is sequence, which includes string, list, tuple. String is used to represent strings or text. List is used to represent a collection of ordered items, which can be of different data types. Tuple is also used to represent a collection of ordered items, which can be of different data types. It's similar to list but are immutable, which means cannot be changed. Dictionary data type comes under mapping data type, which is used to represent a collection of key value pairs, where keys are unique and values can be of different data types. Set data type is used to represent a collection of unique items, which can be of different data type. Boolean data type is used to represent Boolean values, true or false. To represent the absence of a value, there is a data type available which is called none type. It is often used as default value or to indicate that a function or method does not return a value. There are other data types too in Python, such as byte data type, byte array data type, memory view data type. And that's it from me and my team in this edition of Headlines. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such headlines.